The Carbon Builder is a tool that we developed to, I would say, tackle one of the biggest challenges we have in our profession today, which is looking at the embodied carbon footprint of buildings.
UNStudio's design of Kyklos, the final building in the redevelopment of Belval in Luxembourg, envisions an office building, workplace, with the lowest carbon footprint. While in recent years, the focus when designing new buildings has been placed on operational carbon emissions, in fact, only 10% of a building's carbon footprint is determined by its use. The other 90% is determined by the materials used. By using a pioneering new software developed by UNStudio to calculate the numerous options to reduce the carbon footprint in their project, the design team successfully reduced the carbon footprint of the Kyklos design concept by 80% compared to a traditional Luxembourg office building.
And now, with Kyklos, the project in Luxembourg, is that we are showing that with new sustainable principles and particularly the reduction of the carbon footprint, where we can really go really low with the carbon footprint, we can generate architecture what generates a highly aesthetic effect, but in the same time is having all these ambitions of sustainability in it.
It's very hard to tackle that challenge, I would say, quite late in the design process. So we have to tackle it from very early on. And the Carbon Builder is a tool that we developed to connect to our earliest 3D sketches. So immediately when we start thinking about the shape, the performance, the functionality of the building, our 3D models connect to the Carbon Builder. It shows the carbon footprint of what we are designing and also basically proposing alternative strategies in material application to basically push the carbon footprint down of the building, and in that sense, together with operational energy, have a very whole life carbon footprint of the building.
Kyklos closes the loop on the Place des Bassins, connecting the two basins of the former steelwork site on which the district is developed. This loop symbolizes the alliance of the industrial site and its revitalization as an urban space. The building is in dialogue with its urban setting and highlights many of its unique aspects. The result is a future workplace that re-examines how we design for sustainability. With our mission to design for lasting impact and contribute to the societal challenges, UNStudio's Carbon tool highlights the importance of creating bespoke new digital tools for innovation in design.